Incremental readings. So now we're going back to the basic level of Supermemo layout. Do you see now I have the status bar at the bottom? Cool. And on top of that, now we have more options in the help menu. We have seen welcome ABC, user survey, question of the day, and about. So we have all of those options from guide to context. So we'll see each one of them in this video. In this case, we'll start with guide because, well, it's bolded. Why it's bold? And here you go, once again, it's just a shortcut to a Supermemo documentation page. And it's again Supermemo 19 help, the .org. Remember the last time was Supermemopedia, the user survey, and the same for introduction. And look at that, the ABC. You remember this already covers the ABC, and then the summary and important reading. Well, step by step to Supermemo mastery is actually here, the third one. So in other words, this guide that is unlocked on the next level, the basic, is covered in the welcome, but in the third further reading option. And keep in mind that in this further reading, you have options that are way above basic or beginner, by the way. Like incremental learning. Includes basic and beginner, but goes beyond that. In this case, you have this step-by-step Supermemo mastery. It's rather short, and it's like an introduction. But for instance, we will see that position of the size on the windows, in the layouts, knowledge formulation, because usually this will be the bottleneck. Once you overcome the difficulties of the hard skills, how to use Supermemo, this menu, this thing, your limiting factor will be the formulation of knowledge. The principles, how you process the knowledge. Do you see that most of the content is about the knowledge, the soft skills, rather than the hard, the menus and all of those? How to add pictures. Again, your items, formulation, then templates, subset review, audio introduction. We will cover everything that is here, we will cover in each video in a very atomic way. So just to let you know that you have this guide as a shortcut. That I don't know if I bookmarked this page or which one it is, because there are many almost overlapping pages. They look almost the same. You know where to get that guide. And it's easy because it's the only one that is bolded. That's all for now. See you incrementally.